To enable or disable quick share on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to go to more connectivity options. And then in here, we need to simply find the quick share option, which is here in this place. Now, in order to turn on quick share, you can go to who can share with you in here, and then you can turn on visibility. Of course, we need to agree to the permission to allow the app to find contacts. You can also switch to everyone to make sure that every device near you can detect your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro. And also we can set to everyone for 10 minutes if that's enough for you. After 10 minutes, it's going to switch to the previous version, which is most likely contacts. And if you want to turn it off, if you want to turn off quick share, you can just completely turn off visibility, or you can just set your visibility to your devices. Now, if you don't see that option, if you have this menu instead where you have receive and send, then you can tap on your phone in here to return to that menu. And also keep in mind that if you are in this receive menu, then temporarily your visibility is set to everyone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.